Do you get these Sinhala words confused? Aaye, Aaye, Aiya, Aiya, Aiyoo. Let's see what each word means. Aaye. Again, the first sound is a long sound. Ah, Aaye. And the second sound is ye, ye. Aaye, Aaye. But when we say this fast, it might sound like I. I කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you say that again? ආයේ කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? The second one is A. Why? A. The first sound is A, not A, but A as in apple. A. And the second sound is E. A, E. A. A oya andane. Why are you crying? A oya andane. And the next word is Aiya. People. Both sounds are short sounds. Yeah, Aiya. Lankaවේ අය ගොඩක් හොඳයි. Lankaවේ අය ගොඩක් හොඳයි. Sri Lankan people are so nice. The next word is Aiya, older brother. Aiya, Aiya, Aiya. එයාගේ අයියා ගොඩක් උසයි. Her older brother is very tall. එයාගේ අයියා ගොඩක් උසයි. And next we have an interjection. This is similar to oh no, Aiyoo, Aiyoo. The first sound is a, and then e and yo. A, e, yo. Aiyoo, Aiyoo. Aiyoo, ඔයා ඔක්කොම කෑවද? Oh no, did you eat all of it? And we have some more similar sounding words. Let's see. Eyaa, he or she. Eyaa. The first sound is e, as in enter. E. The second sound is ya. Eyaa, eyaa. Eyaa සැරකෑම කන්න කැමතිද? Does she like eating spicy food? එයා සැරකෑම කන්න කැමතිද? Iiye, yesterday. Iiye. The first sound is long E. E. And the second sound is ye. Ye. Iiye. Iiye. Iiye ගොඩක් වැස්සා. It rained a lot yesterday. Iiye ගොඩක් වැස්සා. Last but not the least, we have Iiya. Iiya. This is like ew. Iiya. Use this when you see something disgusting. Iiya. Now, let's see if you can recognize these words when you hear this. Try to guess the word. Eyaa. Eyaa. Yes, it means she or he. Iiye. Iiye. Yes, that's yesterday. Aaye or Aaye, which means again. Aiya. Aiya. People. Aiyoo. Aiyoo. Oh no. Ay. 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 Why? Iiya. Iiya. Ew. Aiya. Aiya. Older brother. Let me know if you find this video useful. And if you have any other similar words you want to know, comment below. And for more Sinhala resources, my not-so-complete website lingocrown.com is available online. Ehena, ilang video එකෙන් හම්බෙමු. Bye bye.